Welcome to the Wealth Secrets channel. Today we will look at 5 life-changing tips on how to manage your money. Don't you know having money isn't the same as knowing how to manage it? Do you know managing your finances can be hard, especially when you don't know where to start or what to focus on? Imagine if you're not careful, then your money can disappear before you realize it's gone, leaving you with debt and no way of repaying it, except by having to work even harder than you were before. Have you ever felt that it is so tough to get your budget in line with the month-to-month bustle of daily life? And it can be even tougher to keep yourself on track over the long term. Maybe you have already set a plan that you want to save how much money at the beginning of the month. However, at the end of the month, you figure out that your saved money is not that much. Why? And then maybe you think back the reason why you can't save enough money is because of your impulse to buy stuff during shopping. At this moment, you may regret what you had made that decision. Or maybe you are currently not where you want to be enough financially. In short, if you are in one of these mentioned situations, then you are not alone. That is the reason why this video is here today. By the end of watching this video, you are going to know 5 life-changing tips on how to manage your money. If you can implement and master all these 5 tips, then all of them can help you achieve your financial freedom and financial independence goal. And you will be amazed at how much money you can make so fast at a skyrocketing rate. If you want to watch this kind of video that I have learned from an investing mentor by investing 5 grand into him before, don't hesitate to hit the like button now. Turn on the notification bell to be notified every time we upload one. Most importantly, if you don't want to miss any information related to wealth, make sure to hit the subscribe button. If you are all set, then let's get started. The first one, live below your means. Rather than buying what you want, purchase what you need, necessities. There is a difference between want and need. It is important for you to remember what is the difference. You may ask, so what is the difference? Here is the answer. Want is something you have the desire to own, but you can live without it. While need is something you can't live without it. The sooner you understand the difference between these two types, the sooner you will be able to get ahead financially. Start by listing your most pressing needs and then prioritize which ones are most important to you. Once you've narrowed it down, look at your current budget to see how much money is left over after covering your necessities. Use this leftover cash to start saving up for other things on your list that are less urgent but still important to you. For example, if food is at the top of your list and housing comes in second, consider putting an extra $100 towards monthly savings to have enough money to cover 3 months' worth of living expenses in case of unemployment or other unforeseen circumstances. Remember that your needs change as you go through life, so periodically revisit your list to ensure you are keeping up with the demands of the present day. Also, remember to stay within your means and maintain a long-term strategy. People frequently equate living below their means with being poor, but that doesn't mean you can't enjoy life's little luxuries occasionally. It just means putting only a portion of your money into any venture spending. It's easy to become overwhelmed when there's always something new out there tempting us. But just because something is popular doesn't mean it's worth spending our hard-earned cash on. When we spend less than we earn, our money starts working for us instead of us working for our money. It's that simple. Live below your means and let your income do the work for you. The second one, understand compound interest. Compound interest is a tremendously potent force that, depending on how it is used, can either make you wealthy or send you bankrupt. It might be catastrophic for your savings account if you don't know what you are doing. It grows exponentially when money compounds on itself over time, which happens when it earns interest. It's quite simple because the basic principles are: the first one, put your money into something that pays you some form of return, and the second one is do not touch that return within the short term. Remember these two key rules when investing. Only invest in things where you can get a reasonable return, but remember to diversify. And as you know, that time is money. With compound interest, it doesn't matter how much time you wait before investing. Just like an apple seed growing into an apple tree, you will still get great returns in the end. Number 3, spend less than you earn. The most basic tip is to spend less than you earn. This may seem like a common sense tip, but it's surprising how many people don't follow it. The top 10% of earners in America make about $190,000 a year on average and spend $120,000 a year, or just slightly more than they earn. Yet, the bottom 90% of earners make an average of $44,000 a year and spend an average of $55,000, spending more than they earn by over $11,000 yearly. The next time you are tempted to buy something extravagant, remember that spending less will help your long-term financial health, which should be one of your top priorities if you want to get rich someday. Start by setting a budget to understand better where your money is going. Once you have this information, start saving. To be ready for everything that may come your way, you should start an emergency fund with enough money to cover your bills for at least 6 months. When you save your money by not spending it, you are building wealth that can create additional income for your future needs. Just imagine what's saving. Even more you do. Remember, always accumulate your money. It will be better if you can keep putting that money into an investment. You may ask, what are the options for investment? Then, if I have saved a certain amount of money, and here you are. Number 4, invest in stocks, real estate, and online businesses. Investing in stocks, real estate. If you have enough money to invest, then online businesses can help you build a more stable financial future. Although most people get stuck at this level for a period of time before making lots of money and give up. However, if you can overcome it, then you can achieve financial success. You can ask, although I want to have a more stable financial future, I have no idea about what an online business could be, or make money online as well. In this case, after you finish watching this video, then you can find a helpful resource in the description box by clicking the link down below. Another fantastic method is to make investments in various stocks. The more you invest, the more recurring dividends you receive. It would help if you also considered investing in real estate or starting your own business. The more diverse your investments are, the less risk you will face. Put only a portion of your money into any one venture. To avoid volatility, diversify your portfolio with different assets, for example, stocks across various industries and regions. Don't panic if the market drops. Be patient. Taking risks like trading on short-term price movements might lead to big losses when you need them most. The rich know how important patience is when managing their money, so take their wisdom and don't make rash decisions based on temporary market changes. Whether it be a side hustle, starting a business, or investing in stocks, don't feel pressure to spend money you don't have. Instead, be patient and set achievable goals. We are allotted so much time on earth, so why waste it chasing unnecessary things? So live smarter, save more today, and watch your wealth continue to grow. And the final one, number 5, have multiple streams of income. Having multiple income streams can provide a financial cushion, meaning you are less likely to run out of money if one source of income dries up. Plus, it diversifies your risk and ensures you are not putting all your eggs in one basket. Some examples include selling an unused product or service on eBay or Amazon, starting a part-time job outside your field, buying and selling stocks, and investing in real estate if you have enough money to invest. When you have numerous sources of income, you don't have to worry about losing your job. This is the best benefits of having various revenue streams. You might also find that certain sources are more lucrative than others, which gives you more flexibility when selecting how much of your time and effort you want to invest in each income stream. The key here is not to do anything rash. Start with something small and see how it goes before making any major life changes or commitments. To conclude, keep in mind these 5 tips the next time you feel the desire to go shopping. If you do, you will end up with more money in your pockets than you had before. The last 2 tips are not only my favorites, but also I recommend everyone practice. The first one, investing in stocks, real estate, and online business. And the second one is having multiple streams of income. That way, when you have enough money, you will be able to buy whatever you want and keep investing in yourself. As Warren Buffett mentioned before, the best investment is to invest in yourself. It may seem common sense, but investing in yourself will help you achieve financial freedom and financial independence. And this marks the end of the video. Again, if you want to discover more about how to make money online, feel free to click the link down below now. Hope you get some nuggets here, and we will see you in the next video.